Good evening, everyone. In today's session, we are learning in HTML programming that gives you a pleasure to develop a web page that helps to spread the information around the world. In today's this lesson, we are going to start with the basic. First, we're going to learn how to do a HTML programming and where do we do this programming and what is the basic step to start this journey. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, our first objective of the day is creating and saving a HTML web page. Let's see how to do this. To start this objective, we open Notepad. I'm opening Notepad, and in Notepad, you can create a new tab or a new file where you can get a blank window and you can type your code. You can use any text editor. Usually the simplest free available text editor in Windows is Notepad. If you are using on MacBook, you can use Sublime Text, that is also available free of cost, or you can use Text Edit, that is only for MacBook. But for the Windows operating system users, we use Notepad. So you can see on my screen, Notepad is visible, and any HTML page always started with HTML tag. This is a basic structure. Like, in English, we start subject and helping verb, then entire sentence and ended with the object. Same way, every HTML programming is started with HTML and ended inside the HTML. Apart from the HTML, there is a one major part in the web page. This is called body part. What is a body part? I just show you through a diagram or through a window which I have opened right now. You all can see I have just opened a browser. In this browser, you can see this area where my cursor is highlighting. This entire area is called body. So basically, we always see the information and the main content in the body area. That's obvious. And this area, which is known as URL part, or where we type the website address, this is basically called title bar area, or it is also known as head part. So if you are doing head part coding in a HTML, the data will be reflected here. But if you are doing the body part coding, then data will be reflected in the beneath part to the URL. Basic motive for any website developer is body part coding, because most of the information goes and falls in the body part coding only. So learn very basic. Every HTML page start with the HTML, then we put body tag. In body tag also, the body tag also get close just like the HTML tag. What is the purpose of putting a slash? Slash indicates tag is ending here and its scope is ending here. So whatever the feature of the tag is, that is up to this limit only. So in HTML, all the thing and information are written in the form of tag, and the basic information which is given by user in form of text, image, and videos. You must have seen so many interesting web pages. So the basic of every web page is HTML and body. I hope it's clear. So let's move to the next part. In this web page, I am just trying to write a small message. Welcome to HTML programming. This is my first message. This is my first web page, like this. I have typed the coding, but how to run it? Just like the other software and programming, we need to run it. To run it, what we do? First, we need to save it. This is a little crucial and challenging step. Please observe it carefully. To save any web page, go to File tab. In the File tab, there is an option called Save As. In Save As, choose the location, like I am choosing here location as desktop. And in desktop, I am creating a folder. And this folder I am giving as HTML practice. The name of the folder I have given as HTML practice. And inside this, I am giving the name of this web page as first.html. This is very important step to see. I have given a name FIRST first, and then I have added an extension .html. Here the best thing is you give a single word name if you are a beginner. Otherwise you can give a long name, but while giving names ensure there are no spaces in the file name. Okay, so first.html is given the name. Now I will click the save button. There is a one more way. If you want to keep a long name, then ensure your entire thing is closed in the double quotes. If you are closing your entire name.html, file name.html inside the double quotes, then you can keep a long word name also. There is no issue. But as a beginner, if you are not comfortable with the double quotes, so the best thing is you give a single word name and put .html. Don't forget to put .html. These are the common mistake that you create unnecessary space here, or you forget to put .html, and then your web page will not save as a web page format. So be cautious. You are putting .html with the name of the file. Just click save. So you have observed I have just created a very basic page with the information welcome to HTML programming, and I just saved it with the first.html name, and I have saved it inside a folder at the desktop. Let's see it is really existing on the web desktop. So I'm just opening my desktop, and on the desktop I have this HTML practice, and inside this you can see, yes, my first web page is visible. I hope it's visible to all of you. Yes, yeah, thank you. So just how to run this? See, to run this web page, I have one precaution to follow. First, you close your Notepad file. Why I'm telling you to close your Notepad file? Because sometimes people are doing editing later and they forgot that which Notepad file they're supposed to edit. So the best thing is, once your first web page is created, right click on this web page, you get open with option. In the open with, you can choose any browser to run your HTML program. I repeat, right click on the web page which you have saved on the desktop, and inside your folder, choose open with and choose any browser where you want to open this program. Okay, to see the output. In case somebody is telling or you want to edit the code, then in spite of choosing any browser, you will choose Notepad file. So in Notepad we can do coding and we can edit. So very much clear. To run the web page, it's supposed to be open in any of the browser, maybe Microsoft Edge or Chrome or whatever is available in your computer. And to do the coding or editing, we will open it in the Notepad. So right now I'm opening in a browser, Microsoft Edge, for example. So you all can see here, this page is available and my information welcome to HTML program. This is my first page is visible. If I want to do editing, then I will go to my folder. I will right click on my web page and I will open it with the Notepad. So you can see I can edit my code. So in the very simple way, we understood how to run the web page in the browser by right clicking and open with option. And also same way we learned how to do coding. You all can observe that here paragraph is written in two different lines. But when I run this code, if you see on the browser, it is coming in a single line. Why? HTML is not understanding the enter key. I have put enter key after it. No. HTML never understand the enter key. So what you need to do to change the line or to tell the computer or the browser that the line is supposed to be changed, you need to put a BR tag. I repeat, we put BR tag to show that now the line has to be changed. So whenever you are creating a web page and you have to change a line, put a BR tag in your code and automatically line will be changed. I just show you. I have changed this coding. I have saved it, and after saving, I just go to my web page and I refresh. You can see now the both lines are coming on different line. This is the only thing that we need to cover in today's first session. Thank you. I hope you all have